right. Let's see. Tyler says, what are your thoughts about mobile home parks? What challenges should I keep an eye on? Also, do you ever do land leases with the standalone buildings? Sorry, that was two questions.
Okay, no problem. So what are your thoughts? This is the last question, I guess, or before that. What are your thoughts about mobile home parks? I like mobile home parks. They're really amazing. I mean, geez, there are so many ways to make money with mobile home parks. You can get the mobile home, you can sell it, you can bring manufactured homes and make payments because the manufacturer will bring them to you, install them, and then you can sell them or lease them for more money. So you can have arbitrage between the income you're getting and the payments you're making on a new home. You can actually have them with bigger land so you can add, you can improve them, improve the income, improve the services. You can create themes like one for elderlies, one for kids, and then have areas for the kids to play. You can do so much with these. Like the Bible says, the poor will always be among us. And I'm not saying everybody in a mobile home is poor, but it's a choice to actually cater to different styles. And government does a lot of programs for lower income homes. So mobile home parks are amazing. It's just not one of my favorite personally because I don't like too many moving parts and I don't like assets that require a lot of marketing. So it requires marketing to bring people, then you have to tell them, then you can sell some units and make lease with option to buy, you can sell them individually, you can, and you're doing the land lease at the same time. You can, regarding the land lease, yeah, I would do land leases. A land lease is like when you own the land and somebody else does a project on top of it. So it's not fee simple. When somebody buys, they just buy the building. You could have a land lease for a long time. I like land leases because it's a payment. It's like a quadruple net. Not only do you have nothing to do, but there is no structure for you to handle. They have to pay you for the land lease. It's desirable. If you have a good building on it and the tenant that's in that building is paying you regularly, you can get good loans against it. So land leases are good. Actually, I thought in one of the strategies, I should buy fee simple, like the land and a building. And then I separate the land from the building. And that's many years ago, I created a Nevada company and I wanted to sell the land to Nevada and lease it back because you can get depreciation on land, but that's one of the ways you can actually have write-offs because you'll be paying lease to yourself. But I found it too complicated and I wanted to do it in California. I had so many permit issues and regulatory issues that I said, I forget it. It's too cumbersome to do it. But yes, land leases could be very good.
All right, perfect. And the last question, what are new requirements for traditional or hard money loans? Can we walk through the package?
Okay, so hard money right now is getting harder and harder because the lenders are freaking out. And private lenders that give you hard money loans, those are loans that will not be obtained from regular lenders because there is something unusual. The property is not bringing income, you want to put minimum down payment, or you're willing to pay extra interest. So they will come to you and say, okay, now they're asking for bigger down payment, they're asking for higher interest rate, they're asking you for points upfront that a little bit more, and then they give it to you for just 1 year. Let's say you need 18 months. They say 1 year. You can come back to us to renew. Problem is, when the year is almost over, they say, oh, the only way to renew is we have to refinance. We have to assess the building again. You have to pay down what you owe us. We'll charge you a higher interest rate and we need more reserves. So be very careful who you talk to and talk to at least 3 hard money lenders. They're called equity lenders. You are much, much better off creating a fund and working with people that want to actually get a bigger piece of the pie on the exit. So don't be too greedy. Set up your own syndication. It's going to heck, the cost of setting up the syndication will be less than what you'll pay them in interest and setting up with a hard money lender. It's just crazy right now. Now people tell me, should I become a hard money lender? It is not as easy as it sounds. You have to know how to do due diligence. You have to know exactly how to structure the loan. And if the loan has construction loans, these are separate payouts. In each stage, you have to work with trustworthy people that come and tell you this is done right. It's not an easy game. And even though when you set up a fund with us, we show you how to add a paragraph that you can give loans on real estate, because sometimes when you sell a building, you carry the financing, so you're actually doing a loan. I wouldn't suggest for you to be a hard money lender. And if you're going to borrow, I suggest you be very, very careful on the terms and how you're going to do them, because you're going to get stuck with that private lender, that hard money lender, until you finish and exit. And some of them would love for you to fail. They have been giving money a lot cheaper than before, and now it's their time to squeeze us all. And I have had students telling me this is just becoming a nightmare.